one or two or maybe all of the shops and restaurants and Starbucks and restaurants and theaters and all that good stuff. And I said this morning, you know, one person can't do the whole show, and I really thank so much our volunteers, who specifically are Frank and Vivian, Craig and Jennifer, and Jacob, and our good friend Rick Simon also. And the club that came down early, got up early and helped us with some of the parking this morning, the SoCal Classics. Thank you for your help. We really appreciate it. And just everybody that contributed. The La Habra Lions Club is raffling off the car, and they said they got a big response. They're going to raffle that off August 5, 6, and 7 in La Habra at the Corn Festival. And if you haven't been to the Corn Festival and you like corn, there's more corn there than you'll ever see in your lifetime. So check it out. And let's get started with the awards. Our first award goes to a 1951 Mercury Monterey, entry number 104 of Elvin and Bernie Scalisi. Elvin and Bernie, what the awards are is the Best of Show. It's the top 30 Best of Show awards in the show. And Elvin and Bernie Scalisi, you're the first winners of the 30 Best of Shows. The second award goes to entry number 112. It's an Austin Healey, 1963 Austin Healey of Lindsay, Maine. Lindsay, Maine. 112, you got it. And if you want the box that it came in to carry it home, we got those. If you want the box, right here. Our next award, and one thing about this show this year, we really worked hard at getting a variety for the show, and I hope everybody appreciated that. A little bit of everything, and we really thank the diversity for the show, or of the show. And entry number 116, 1957 Chevy Nomad of Fred DeFalco. Okay, and our next award goes to a 1956 Ford F-100 pickup of Bob and Brenda Renfried, entry number 132. Congratulations. Our first Chevy Camaro here
got it.
Goes to entry number 145, a 1969 Chevy Camaro of Mark Eck.
My wife's up there. Give her your email address. I'll send it to you. I don't know. I'll get you right after.
You, Mark? All right, congratulations. Next entry, winning a Best of Show of the top 30 cars or vehicles, is entry number 1.